Part 2. Right, this is where I used to work, down there in the goods shed. This is the railway crane I used to operate. Now, is it going to make sense? The crane swings out from up there. So if I stand directly under it, it is that far there away. So that's, let's say, 6 metres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 metres. That crane can reach to here, which is the dead centre of a train carriage. This is where the railway lines used to be. The train carriages used to come in here. This is where I used to unload all the goods and the parcels. So yes, the train carriage door was right here. The outside of the train carriage was here. So that's 1 track. Now let's pace it out. 2 tracks. 3 tracks. Can you see what they're going to do now? 1, 2. There's your 2 tracks. Put an island platform in the middle. Driverless tram can go in there. Used to go out up there to join onto the main line when I worked here in the goods shed. That was not there. It was downhill. It was level. Used to run out the set of points. Does it make sense now? So that track over there has got a bend in it, because there was a set of points up there where those gum trees are. Now, if they come in from the other end, right, so if they're going to build the railway line, how much room do they need? There's a platform, there's 1 set of tracks, there's 2 there, 1 over here, with that there in the middle. Quite easy fit in there. But then again, if that's there, they can quite easily move that. Railways will have no problem moving that. And look, we just snuck in. See how quiet they are, how nice. Right, that's if this is where the train comes. Or is it going to go across down there? We don't know. How much room is at the top end of Queen Street? Let's have a look. There's the orange building, into the white grey one. Easy. Put 1 set of tracks in there. Doesn't matter about the stormwater drains, it doesn't matter. They'll easily move that. But look, 1 train could quite easily fit through there. Watch. Then it swings back around to the left. Can you see that? So is it going to come in there? Or are they going to extend this right down there and build a whole new St Mary's train station? We don't know. Now we're going to come back over there on that side of the road. That's Forrester Road, St Mary's train station. This is Queen Street, St Mary's train station. We'll now come back. Are they going to bring the train up through here? See the amount of room they got now? Easy.